On Wednesday, one of the most important missions in human history was launched, Artemis II, the first crewed mission to the moon after more than 50 years, since the last human landing during Apollo 17. But here's the surprise. This time, the astronauts will not land on the moon. Instead, they will only orbit around it. So, why? The real goal of the mission. The purpose of Artemis II is not to reach the moon, but to test everything before the real landing. The Orion spacecraft will carry 4 astronauts on a journey around the moon to test life support systems, manual control, radiation exposure, and human survival in deep space. The most dangerous moment. As the spacecraft passes behind the moon, communication with Earth will be completely lost. No signals, no voices, no connection for up to 45 minutes. The crew will be completely alone in space. How will they return? The spacecraft will follow a path called free return trajectory. Simply put, the spacecraft is launched toward the moon at a precise speed and angle. Then, the moon's gravity will swing it back toward Earth without using its engines, making the mission safer. Re-entry to Earth. On the way back, the spacecraft will enter Earth's atmosphere at speeds reaching 40,000 kilometers per hour, with temperatures rising to 2,800 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt metal. But the heat shield will protect the crew until the capsule safely lands in the ocean. The bigger goal. The Artemis program is not just about visiting the moon. Its goal is building a permanent human presence on the moon versus Artemis versus Apollo. Apollo asked, "Can we reach the moon?" Artemis asks, "Can we live there?" What comes next? NASA plans to build a space station orbiting the moon called Lunar Gateway, a station that will act like a gateway for continuous travel between Earth and the moon. Simply put, Artemis II is not just a mission. It's the beginning of a new era, an era where humans may live beyond Earth.